Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet y Tejido. In this small video I'm going to teach you how to skpo. It's an abbreviation that is used for knitting. It's very easy to do and it means one stitch decrease. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here is the small tutorial on how you're gonna do it. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel that you'll find the English version. And I'm making a series of videos that I'm teaching how to do some stitches abbreviation for knitting. Sometimes you see a beautiful pattern, but then you see these short form letters and you get intimidated because you don't know what I mean. But if they explain every single detail what to do in that small row, it will take forever to do one pattern. For example, skpo mean slip one stitch knitwise, knit one stitch, pass a slip stitch over the knit stitch. You see, if they explain that in there, and then they had to do a sk2po, and then they had to do a slip one stitch knitwise, knit two stitches together, pass a slip stitch over that stitch. You see, if they explain every single detail, it will take forever to do one row. So that's why they created this small variation to make things shorter. So skpo is very easy, and I'm doing some knitting stitches and not just the abbreviation, and so that's why I wanted to explain this as well. That way you don't get intimidated when you see this in the screen when I'm doing the stitches. It's really easy. I know some of my subscribers will know how to do all this, but some of you guys, you don't. So that's why I'm doing this. So I have a base of a stitch here. And let's pretend that you are doing a row where you had to skpo. And then you will work that row as you're supposed to. And then when you get to the skpo, you're going to slip one stitch knitwise. You're going to knit one stitch and you're going to pass that stitch over the knit stitch, and that is skpo. Very easy. Again, you will continue how you supposed that row, and then you're going to slip one stitch knitwise. You're going to knit one stitch and you're going to pass the stitch over the knit stitch. Usually when you're doing this, you're doing yarn over and all that stuff because you are decreasing one stitch and you have to increase with the yarn over. But that is, you have to follow the pattern that you're doing. I'm just teaching you how to do skpo. So you'll continue working as you're supposed to, and you have to do it again. Just slip one stitch knitwise, knit the next one, and pass the stitch over, and you'll continue. You see how simple and easy, and it's not scary at all. Let me go until the end. So I already did how to sk2po in another video. They're really short videos. It's just teaching this. And I'm going to leave the link in here. You're going to see an eye. You click on the eye and it will bring you to the video. Also, I have SSK. Really easy. I have other small abbreviation tutorial that I'm going to leave all those links here. Also, I have a playlist of knit stitches. I'm going to leave that here as well. That way you can practice. If you want to do a hat, you want to do a shawl, you'll find really beautiful stitches there. Well, I hope you like this small tutorial, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you make anything with my patterns or any of my design and you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.